So, oh, whoops. Oh yeah, baby. It's new bike day! Heck yeah! Let me get my box cutters. How do you disassemble? I think it's right. I don't know which part comes out first. Probably the saddle. Ooh, that's light. Holy cow. Heck yeah! Look at that. Oh yeah. My first gravel bike. Full box of goodies. Let's put her together. Just finishing up the last couple touches. I'm gonna be flying on this thing. Holy cow. Cool, and there you have it. The Priority Gemini with electronic shifting. So, oh, whoops. So, this is my Priority Gemini. It's got the Pinion gearbox. That's one thing that I wanted. I'm in love with Pinion gearboxes. Just all the gears are all in here. No grit or grime or nothing like that gets to them. It's got the Gates carbon drive, 40mm tires on there. I can't wait to get this on the road. This will be fun. And this has got the smart shift, the electronic shifting. Let me see if I can. So the Gemini has the smart shift on the Pinion gearbox, and I've only used it once before, and that was on the test ride I did on Ragbri, and it felt pretty good. I will have to get it on the road to see how it performs and how I like it, but so far it is extremely light, like a gravel bike should be. Well, it's light in comparison to my 600X that I have, and yeah, like I said, I can't wait to get this on the road. This is going to be fun. Now I can finally keep up with the group I've been trying to ride with. So, it's definitely gonna make an appearance on the channel at some point. I have a few things planned for it. Stay tuned for that. And this was just kind of my unboxing and first look and feel of the bike. And so far, I like it. I am a fan. With that, like I said, stay tuned for more scenes from this bike. I don't know where it's gonna go first, if I wanna take it out on the salty roads, or if I'm just gonna keep it in here for now, hanging on my wall. But yeah, stay tuned, like and subscribe, and we will see you down the road.